Hi, Bryn here. Notice anything about this oven shelf? Well, I'm able to get it all the way out here unsupported, and that's all down to these telescopic runners. So let me show you how you can fit them to your Indesit oven. So these are the runners. Now they support a standard size oven shelf and allow it to extend a significant distance from the oven, which can aid you in getting food in and out of the oven without burning yourself. Now you may have got some with your new Indesit oven purchase, but you can order them separately at indesitservice.co.uk. In either case, they fit by simply clipping onto your existing oven shelf supports. So to give yourself more space, you can actually take your oven door off, but I'm not going to do that because I've got loads of room to play with. As always, make sure your oven is switched off and cool before you start poking around inside. So inside of the oven are these shelf supports, and it's these shelf supports that we're going to attach the runners to. Now with the runners themselves, you can see you have these two hooks, and these actually attach onto the shelf supports. Little tip for you though, if you open the runner up, you can see that this part here is where the shelf will sit. So this tells me that this runner here is for the left-hand side of the oven. So all I have to do is place the hooks on top of the shelf support like that, and then click it into place. Once I've done one side, do the same to the other side. There you go, really is as simple as that. And if you've taken the door off, now's the time to put it back on. Telescopic runners and shelf supports are all available at indesitservice.co.uk.